Hey, what's happening, guys? Captain Steve here. Some of you guys may have known me in my previous videos. The channel was called Stilo 415. We're switching things up, like I said. It's now called Deadliest Cast Fishing, kind of like my boat. I'm going to get more in detail, these videos now, showing you how to tie leaders, how to fish certain spots, how to approach certain species. So I know that's what everybody wants to hear. So today we're going to start off by showing you guys how to tie your own sturgeon leaders, okay? Same leaders you can use in the bay if you want to fish with sharks, leopard sharks, that kind of stuff, bat rays from shore, that'll work. If you get into the bigger boys and you want to step up your game to some steel cable or so, okay? So let's go over what we're going to use here for this video. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Okay, so we're going to have a 7/0 cable hook, barrel sole, some beads, and an egg sinker, as you can see. All right. So leader material that I'm using today for this video is P-Line CXX 80 pound, okay? This is good stuff. It's really strong. It ties great. I use it on a lot of my sturgeon leaders and almost everything. Everything I use is P-Line or fluoro and all that stuff, okay? So go ahead and check that out. Extra tough, extra strength. That'll be plenty to hook up on your sturgeon, all right? All right. So first things first, you're gonna get your leader material. Leader line, put it right through the eye of the hook, okay? Make a loop, just like that. Okay, you see that? I'd make it a little bigger to give yourself some room to work with when you're snelling this. We're gonna do a reverse snell for this hook, okay? That's what I do in most of my hooks. I'm gonna grab the line on my right hand here and go over the shank of the hook once, going backwards, going twice, okay? See that? Now you're gonna go back over the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? All right, at that point, just hold it down there. Pair of pliers. You can be like me, I use my teeth sometimes in pulling it, but that's an easy way to chip your teeth. Pull the line till it tightens up a little bit, it starts to cinch down. Okay, slide it down to the eye of the hook. Pull from both ends. This will secure your knot. Okay, slide it down again and pull tight. There you go, see it's sliding down. Now that thing's really tight, okay? That is a reverse snell. Okay, the harder they pull, the tighter it gets. So then you're simply gonna get your cutters, cut that tag end piece off, okay? Now my leaders are normally about 36 inches long. So this one's gonna be a little shorter just so it fits in the video. I'm gonna show you how I rig it up, how I tie it up. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that. All right. So you can put as many beads as you want. I like to make mine different, kind of stand out. Put 1 bead through it. Put 2 on this one. Okay, followed by your egg sinker. Okay, let's do another bead and follow it. Okay. Like that, okay. Now if that's done, you're gonna get your barrel swivel, okay? I usually get some really heavy duty ones just in case. Never know what you can do. It could be a 9-footer, 10-footer, who knows? A lot of big fish out here. So put the line through, make a loop. If you have a leader, one of these leader tying boards like I do, comes in handy. Make a loop there, pinch it with your 2 fingers there. Grab the line, go over your finger once. Now go back over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? Hold that down, slide this line underneath this loop here, okay, just like that, and back to the loop that was over your finger, okay? Now you start to pull, pull, okay? Now you see that? Okay, this is when this leader board comes into play. Now you can simply just pull, tighten that knot down, Yeah, nice and tight. That thing's not going anywhere. Okay. Grab your cutters, cut that tag end off. All right. And there you go. That is known as a San Diego jam knot, clinch knot, whatever you want to call it. It just tightens really good. All right. All right. And that right there is your sturgeon leader. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to be doing more videos on how to tie certain leaders. If there's something you guys want to see, hit me up, let me know. We'll do a video on how to tie it up, how to rig it up. Also going to do my next upcoming video in April. It's going to be how to troll the San Francisco Bay for halibut. As you guys may have seen, I was on Angler West TV a couple years ago. Really going to get more in detail than what I showed on TV, how to troll for these things. And I'm also going to do a video on how to tie those leaders with the wiggle hoochies and sling blades. All right. So make sure you guys are subscribed, hit the like button, share, feel free to comment, and I'll see you guys soon. All right.